Okay, so gaano ka important ngayon yung pag-podcast tsaka pag-vlog para sa isang business? It's like, it's your own commercials, it's your own brand, it's your own unique voice. So nakikita naman natin lahat ngayon, kailangan meron kang representative sa social media. And kung yung apat na platforms kaya mong postan or you're present, your business is present, sa YouTube, sa FB, sa IG, and sa TikTok, then it's easier for you to find your audience. Once your audience finds you, it will be easier for sales and marketing to do their thing. Alright? So, if you're ready to maximize and use podcasting and blogging, and we have a system in place for that, and andun na yung strategy, andun na yung marketing, alright? And editing and post-production, let us know. Let us start your business and level up for 2026. Let's do this!